Welcome back everybody, my name is Luis and welcome you to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to review and give you a beginner level tutorial on WPS Office. Now before we start our video, I would like to say thank you to WPS Office company for sponsoring this video. Alright, so if you are in the market for buying an office suite, so you probably be looking to buy a Microsoft Office suite, because that is the industry standard. Now, let's say you want to buy a Microsoft Office and you can't afford it. Is there any alternative for Microsoft Office Word, Excel? Well, there are a bunch of Office suites available. For example, we have a Google Office suite, which has a Google Docs, Sheets, and also we have some softwares which you can install in your PC, Mac, or Linux, LibreOffice, and also WPS Office, which we're going to talk about in this video. Now, I've used many Office suites. I've used Google Docs, used Google Services, I've used LibreOffice, but I always miss a software which is on my PC. It doesn't run on a browser. It has pretty good functionality compared to Microsoft Word, because the Google Docs or LibreOffice, they do have a functionality, but they don't have as much as a Microsoft Word do. So we basically miss out a lot of functionality. And in terms of looks as well, a lot of us are used to using Microsoft Word. Well, I'm talking about user interface. Well, I've been using this WPS Office for the last few weeks, and there are some really good things about it, because that's why I actually decided to go ahead with WPS Office and create a video and a tutorial about WPS Office. Now today we're going to look at WPS Writer in this video, but before we start, I want to say, why do you want to buy this software? Well, first of all, if you're in the market for buying an Office suite, you're looking at Microsoft Office and you say, okay, well, Office costs about $100 or $200, and if you're going to go for Office 365 subscription, which is about $10 a month, and it's quite expensive for a person who doesn't want to write a lot of documents, who does not really need all those advanced features, but still wants a pretty good software, who wants to install on your PC, which should work offline and has a pretty identical user interface. And also, one important thing I want to mention here about a WPS Writer compatibility, or any WPS software compared to Office of Microsoft. Let's say you write a document in a LibreOffice or Google Docs and you want to send it to someone. Now, as I said, Microsoft Office is an industry standard, and if you want to send a document as an email, you'll probably be sending in Microsoft Word, which is .docx file format, and also they have a .doc, which is the old version of that as well. And then if you want to have Excel, you have Excel extension. If you are creating a presentation, you send PPTX extension to someone who you want to share with. So what happens is when you create a document in Google Docs and you export it into .doc format, and you go and open that in a Microsoft Word, well, you figure out that there is something wrong with the document. The layout doesn't seem quite right, doesn't seem similar. That way you wrote in a Google Docs, it doesn't really show the same layout of your document in Microsoft Word anymore, because when it was exported, it wasn't that compatible that Microsoft Word will be able to open that document and will show the same font size, same layout, same bullet points, same number points, and all that stuff. But the only reason I'm making this video and I'm trying to focus and trying to pursue you guys, that if you want to have a software, Office software in your PC, and you want it for free, because WPS is free, they do have a premium subscription which gives you a lot more options. But first, if you want to try for free, you can try for free, and you can just use it forever. So a little bit more about WPS Premium Services. So if you look at, we can connect up to 9 devices, PC, Android. We have an advanced writer, presentation, spreadsheet, and it will not give you any ads. If you have a premium, we have a free PDF to Word converter. So if you have a PDF, a book, or whatever, you want to modify that, you can just simply drag that PDF into WPS, convert it into Word, and then start modifying that. Free extensive online templates, a lot of templates available. We have a free cloud storage as well. And also, we have some free special features, which I just talked about, PDF to Word. We have a cloud storage, which gives you 1 GB of storage. Well, I don't think it's going to attract a lot of people because we have a cloud storage everywhere now. But here we have some advanced options for lots of extra documentation. Encryption is available, PDF support, documentation collaboration. So if you were thinking that, okay, well, how I'm going to collaborate with my team members or my students, fellows, uni fellows, or a lot of other people that you work with, then we have a document collaboration. So you can sign up and then you can start sharing a document. They can jump on your software and start collaborating with you. Language support, amazing presentation, blah, blah, blah. All these are the generic options. And as you can see, it's pretty small, 76.9 MB. Pretty good size. Okay, let's go and take a look at the WPS. Why am I keep saying WPS Writer? It's actually WPS Writer. Let's open it up. I've already downloaded and installed that. So there we go. So if you look at it, the first look of it seems like you are using Microsoft Word, because the Microsoft Word has a pretty similar layout. Not exactly identical, but pretty similar. So we have a menus on the top. We have a drop-down menu which gives you some basic features. Not features, but options. New, open, backup management, exit, options for modifying your software, and yeah. Now let's take a look at some of the templates we have available. So as you can see, there are a lot of templates available and they look pretty nice as well. And also you can go and download from online services. For example, we have a premium only, and you can search for them. It's going to go and then search online and then get you the templates. So we have a premium. Let's take a look at that. So Office WPS Premium, Easy Light compatible. Okay, a lot of companies say that, but let's take a look. What do we have? So free templates, free PDF to Word, save docs as space, multiple devices. Yeah, well, that's what we already talked about. Let's not go in there. Now let's create an empty document, and let's start from the menu number 1, which is a home, and then just go from there. And I'm just going to quickly show you what are the options available. Let's click on a new document. That's what we have, a blank document. Let's go to the home tab. So home tab has all the basic editing options. For example, if you want to change the font or change the size of the font, you can do it here, right? We have some other options as well, which we all are comfortable with. This is not a full-fledged tutorial, but we go through some of the basics options available here. Similar to Word, paste, copy commands here. We have some shortkeys here: open, save, print, search, find and replace search. And now let's go here. We have some custom styles. We can create new styles, clear our own styles, find, replace, select, settings. So all the basics options are available. Insert. So we have break, page break insert. We have a blank page insert. So if you want to have another page, simply click on that. It gives you another page so you can start typing. We have a table, similar in Microsoft Word, Google Docs. We can insert a picture. Oh, nice UI, isn't it? You have a nice colors, and then you can go and browse into your computer and grab the stuff. Also, you can access the network drives here. We can have a custom locations. We can set them as our favorites, and we don't have to go and look for again and again. All right, let's cancel out, and then we go to other options. We have a page numbering. Oh, well, I'm not going to go into details because these are the really basic options. We all know about it. As we do with the page layouts, we can change the orientation, we can change the paper sizes, columns, and all that stuff. References are there as well, reviews and views section, and special features. Let's take a look at what we have, a special feature. So open from Cloud Docs. Let's click on that and let's see what we get. So here we have some options for when you sign up for Premium WPS Office Suite. You get a free cloud storage for 1 GB, right? So you can sign in, create an account, and then you can store all your documents on a cloud and just open them up from there. Save to Cloud Docs. Similar to this one, we just want to save the document to the cloud, so we don't have anything written here. File roaming, so it will basically synchronize all your devices from your cloud storage. Let's go to the next one. I'm going to cancel out. Share file, well, we have to sign in to share a file so people can come and click on their link and then just do collaboration with you. The next option we have is PDF to Word, which is kind of cool. You grab a PDF, put it in there, and then we'll convert that as a document. Alright, so I've given you introduction to WPS Writer. If you like it, check it out, and I have a link in the description as well to download the software. Don't worry, that's not an affiliate link. It's just gonna take you to WPS software to download it for free. And also, thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.